If your credit score starts with a 3, 4, 5, or 6, this video's for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, I've prided myself and made a name for myself on YouTube for recreating or reacting to some of the best YouTube videos in the credit game, attempting to add unique value from my insight on the finance and credit industry. But I was in a quandary about this particular video that I'm going to show you today, because I really wanted to make a unique video from me to you explaining exactly what this is and how to use it. But the guy that I'm going to introduce you today needs no introduction on YouTube. And he's also my business partner in this game-changing software that we're going to introduce. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, for those of you who've been living under a YouTube rock, this is Mike the Credit Guy, probably the most famous face in the credit repair industry, and my equal parts partner in Dispute Beast, the most advanced DIY credit repair software ever created. Now, a few weeks ago, he did a YouTube video on our new software, and to this point, it has about 60,000 views. So while I thought about recreating this video myself, I said, why not use my partner's video to explain it all, and who can do it better than Mike? So let's go.
So I'm going to expose how easy it truly is to work on your credit if you choose that you want to use AI credit repair, because AI credit repair is hands down going to take over the industry across the United States in credit repair. And no, this is not ChatGPT. A lot of people want to say, oh, you can just use ChatGPT, throw some prompts at it. The problem is it is not advanced enough, and it does not have enough results to compare, and it hasn't been creating enough, and it really truly doesn't understand the credit reporting process because nobody has trained it to.
So for those of you who don't understand the way AI works, usually AI works because the more you input into it, the more it's able to give back to everybody else who needs to use it. So one of us put something into it, another one of us put something into it, another one of us put something into it, then another person is able to extract that combined information when they have a query based upon whatever they're looking for. When you are trying to use untrained AI, it essentially is no better than Google. It doesn't have enough data points that are dedicated to that particular category or question to give you the right answer, in the same way that a human would go do massive amounts of research and be able to come back with an educated conclusion. And this is the reason why he stresses this is not ChatGPT, because ChatGPT has to be trained. It takes the data points from everybody who's using it and takes that combined information and is able to disperse it in a way that a hyper-educated person, or even more than that, would be able to do. This is the reason why when we created the technology behind Dispute Beast, we did not release it in the Dispute Beast format for years. We released it in other software formats. Mike had his own, I had my own, and we used the information from those customers to go ahead and collect the data points that we needed to make this software a super disputer, specialized and highly focused on disputing with the credit bureaus, third-party credit reporting agencies, creditors, and collectors, and nothing else. And just to give it some context, to utilize some actual numbers for the technology behind Dispute Beast, this technology has already sent over 1 million letters to the credit bureaus, third-party credit reporting agencies, creditors, and collectors. Over 1 million letters.
Everyone out there that's going to watch this video to understand that you are up against a machine at the credit reporting agencies. Now, a lot of people believe that there's like a human being that's sitting there reading these letters, sending you a response. That's not how it works. Imagine they're receiving possibly millions of letters every single day. There's no way for them to have that many human beings sitting around, open up envelopes and reading letters. It just doesn't work that way. The machine that you're going to have to go up against is called eOscar. Now, eOscar was not designed to help the actual consumer. It's actually designed to help the credit reporting agencies speed up the process, get this over with, and get your response to you as fast as they possibly can and get you out of their hair. What consumers don't understand is that the credit reporting agencies make more money off of you when you have a low credit score, because your data, all of your information, is very valuable. The credit reporting agencies make millions of dollars from selling your data to subprime borrowing companies. They don't make money off of selling you credit reports. That's a huge misconception. So as long as they can keep you down, keep your credit score down, then you're much more valuable. They can sell that information to another party, another subprime borrower that can come after you, and you get an email, you get an actual text message, you get all these types of things where people are trying to offer you all these subprime lending options at high interest rates. And that's why you have to fix your credit. And AI credit repair is the most powerful thing out right now in the industry besides using an attorney. I want to be very clear again that this is not ChatGPT, and this is not the washed up template letter system of Credit Versio, and it's damn sure not Dovely, the one that can only pull your credit reports from TransUnion. I mean, that's just crazy to me.
You guys. Now, before Drake gives us his take on exactly how he feels about these competitors of ours, let me explain to you what Mike is talking about when it comes to Dovely and them only using TransUnion to dispute your credit reports. So what Dovely does is, instead of having you go get a paid credit monitoring like we do with Beast Credit Monitoring, they'll have you sign up for TransUnion's credit monitoring service. They will use the information from TransUnion to dispute TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Now, what they're banking on and what they don't expect you guys to understand is that TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian are 3 completely owned and operated companies, separately owned and operated. They do not shake hands. They do not report all the same information. So if you're disputing using TransUnion information only and you're disputing with Experian and Equifax, you may not be catching everything. You also may be giving them information they don't already have. This can be crazy detrimental to your credit repair process, as you may not be addressing everything you need to be addressing, and you may be giving out information, especially personal information, that may not be in their system already.
Make me sick to my stomachs, fam. Honestly, if you guys want to look in my eyes, you guys want to do something? You guys, that's what I thought. No, that's what I thought.
And credit repair companies can tell you that they can't scale and get to 100 clients by manually looking at credit reports and manually creating letters, manually creating envelopes. None of that can be done unless you have a lot of human beings that are doing a lot of work really fast. And it's just impossible. So that's why software is needed when you are doing credit repair. And that's why I helped create the most advanced, most powerful software out there using Metro 2 compliance. Think about it. It's cheaper, easier, and faster to build out a database full of template letters.
Let me stop Mike right there. So just because you're using Metro 2 compliance does not mean that you're not using templates, because there are softwares out there and they're charging people a lot of money just to have access to the software, forget your credit monitoring, that are using Metro 2 templates. See, when other companies talk about them using AI, they're talking about them using the ability for their software to scan a credit report and then import that to the software and create any dispute letter from that. But the dispute letter that's being created is simply handpicking from the templates that they've created and stored into their software. Our software uses what's called machine learning. So from all of those people that we put into our technology over the last 3 years, our software has actually been learning what works when a deletion occurs and what doesn't work when a deletion doesn't occur, or what works when an account is updated properly, or what is not working to not update any accounts whatsoever. It has learned from the information that's being input into it in order to spit out new, unique letters for them to continue challenging and continue to learning and to keep the bureaus on their toes. There is a less than 0.04% chance that you're going to receive the same verbiage or anywhere near it when using Dispute Beast. That's true AI.
Dispute Beast is the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created. And guess what? This is not a sponsored video, because I do in fact own Dispute Beast.
I built this shit! Me! Brick by brick!
And before you go hitting up Dominique Brown or Mike about this video, don't even bother. We're just gonna laugh at your comments in the development meetings on Thursdays.
Dispute Beast will scan your credit reports looking for any collections, charge-offs, late payments, medical collections, bankruptcies, student loans in default, child support, hard inquiries, any negative item that is hurting your credit. Dispute Beast is going to hunt it down and find it. It's going to create a custom dispute flow to your specific issues, creating custom Metro 2 attack letters for the 3 major credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. But it doesn't just stop there, ladies and gentlemen, because we do care and we know what we're doing. It's also going to attack the creditors and third-party credit reporting agencies. No, you don't need to freeze them. As I've told you before, it's going to actually attack them directly. Last part's the most important. No other software does that because they just don't care. Dispute Beast leaves no stone unturned, giving you the ability to perform credit repair at the highest level. Now let me show you how easy it is to actually use Dispute Beast. Once you create your Dispute Beast account, then it's going to ask you to set up your Beast credit monitoring. Everything is in one place. Now once you do that, then it's going to ask you to upload your information, all your documents, and once you've completed all that, it's going to take you to this page right here, and you're going to get started in creating your dispute letters. But let me walk you through a better example. So you're going to upload your driver's license, your social security card. I highly suggest that you do your social security card also, because this is going to solidify that it's actually you. And then you click the get started button, of course.
And then you're going to click
that button that says generate attacks. You'll see everything here in your hub in one place. all the negative accounts, your score, your utilization, all the important things. Then once you click that button, you're going to see it's going to highlight all the negative accounts. And then you're going to see all the hard inquiries. If you want to attack hard inquiries, you can click on the ones you want to attack. It's not going to let you attack any negative item that can, any item that can hurt your credit. So if it's like a positive item that you shouldn't be attacking, Dispute Beast won't let you fail. It will.
And also, by the way, it's not just positive items it won't let you attack, or won't even give you the option to open up an attack against. As you can see on the screen, more importantly, it's inquiries. The most innocuous item on your credit report, credit inquiries, can be the most damaging should you attack the wrong one. If you attack an inquiry that's linked to an open credit account and that inquiry gets deleted, that open credit account stands a 99% chance of being deleted as well, which can damage your credit beyond repair. So having a software that can indicate to you, hey, this is an inquiry. Are you 100% sure that the account it's attached to is not an open account is huge. It's something that most credit softwares haven't even considered doing. But this is the level of effort and care that we put into this process of building this software.
Will stop you and let you know, like, yo, don't do that. Don't do that.
Big facts.
You can ruin your credit. It warns you, unlike any other software out there. Then you click start attack, and it starts to analyze, and it's generating its attack. It's creating your custom metro to attack letters per your specific issues that are on your credit reports, which makes it very unique. And bam, look at it. It's just that fast. Literally, it's crazy. So then you see right there is your option to mail it yourself. Coming soon. Pay attention to that little bar up there. We got our actual TransUnion letters. Now you see how there's 3 letters. It's not just one letter. That's the best part about it. You don't just get one letter. You're getting all the letters that you need to attack in that first round. And then you're gonna get your Experian letters. Now, if you pay attention, we'll scroll down just a little bit so you can see there's a creditor letter. There you go. Then there's an Equifax letter. And then all the third-party credit reporting agencies that nobody else attacks. Then you're gonna download them. Very simple. You can download them onto your computer, onto your phone. You'll save them. And then you'll see all your letters. It'll save it like in a zip file. And those are all of your letters. Already ready for you, locked and loaded. You got to print them out. It even shows you what your actual envelopes should look like when you're mailing it out, so it actually looks proper. And then you're pretty much done.
I appreciate my boy Mike for allowing me to use his video to promote our product. We've worked a really long time on this, man, since August of 2021 to get this software perfected so that we can then present it to the masses so you can take control of your credit repair. If you guys want to use Dispute Beast, please go ahead and feel free to comment Beast in the comments. I'll shoot you my particular link for Dispute Beast so that we can move forward so that you can help yourself get your credit back on track. And by the way, I've created an exclusive group on Facebook that you can get into for free, where I can help you get support for Dispute Beast, answer questions that you may have about Dispute Beast and the credit repair process, and also just post your victories and your process. As you can see here, I posted a video this morning for Dispute Beast answering a question from somebody else. You can see here that other people are mailing their letters out for Dispute Beast. This is going to be something that changes the credit repair game forever. Thank you guys again for watching this video. And before we get up out of here, you guys know I always got to show my appreciation for you watching my stuff and rocking with your boy, man, because you guys can go anywhere on the internet for your credit information, but you're here with me. Be blessed.